Hello students, today we will study English language of class 7th, chapter 12, tenses. Now you can see in this box, first we will go with the present tense. Okay, now simple present. What is simple present? It is used to talk about the things in general that happened repeatedly, means which the things which used to take place in a general or generally, and that keeps on occurring again and again. And also it is used to express scientific facts, means truth. Okay, or you can say universal truth. Okay, which cannot be denied. Fine. Now the example, you can say the sun rises in the east. Okay. Now the second is present continuous. It is used to express an action going on at the time of speaking. It means that it is used to present show that action which keeps on going at the time of the speaking, or when we are speaking the action is proceeding, the action is going on. Okay. Now the example is I am drinking coffee. Okay students, I am drinking coffee. Or we can say the action that, or in the present continuous we can say the action that is certain to take place in a near future, means it is not possible that at that moment, at the time of speaking, that action particularly take place. Maybe it can take place in a near future, maybe 1 week one means, for example, you're going next week. Okay, like that way. Yeah, or next month. Like for example, we are going on a vacation next week. This is the near future. Or after 1 hour, it can be near future. Okay. Now next is present perfect. It is used to express recently completed action, means to show the action which is recently, means a few minutes, moments ago, action has completed. Okay. For example, she has gone to the market. She has gone to the market. Or I have finished the painting. Okay. This is the example. Now present perfect continuous, it is used to express an action that began in the past, means it is used to show that action which began in the past and it's still going on, means it is continuing, it has not been stopped. It began in the past and it is continuing. Now for example, we have been studying for 2 hours. Now we have been studying for 2 hours now. Okay students, now next is past tense. Let's see, simple past. It is used to express an action completed in the past, which shows an action which is completed in the, which has been finished in the past. It also express past habits. Okay. Habits in a past, or past habits means the things which is telling about the past. Okay, the things which has completed in the past, which is telling the action which has been done in the past, that is. Or we can say that it is used for, the simple past can be used in or for polite request and questions. Okay, now we can see, for example, mother came home last night. Now for polite request and a questions, there is example, I wanted to ask you for a small favor. Now next is past continuous. It is used to express an action in progress. It is used to express an action in progress, means in progress in past, mean it is continuing, it is continued in the past. For example, she was studying all night. The action continued in the past. Okay. Now next is past perfect. It is used to express an action which was already completed, which was already completed before another action was completed. Now it means that the action has completed before the next action was about to finish. Okay, I can say it means that action completed at some point in a past, okay, before another action was begun. Okay, now I'll give you the example, like the boys had hidden the crackers before the teacher entered the class. Now see, the boys had hidden the crackers. This the boy already, the action has been completed. The boys had hidden the crackers before the next action begin, that is before the teacher entered the class. So before the teacher entered the class, the boy had finished their work, means they had hidden the crackers. Okay, now next is past perfect continuous. It indicates an action which had started, continued, and was completed in a past. It very simple, means it shows an action which had started in the past, it continued in the past, and finished, means completed in the past. That is past perfect continuous. For example, I had been watching TV all morning and ended up with headache. So the action started in the past, continued in the past, and was completed in the past. Okay, now next is future tense. Now simple future, it indicates an action which will happen in future, means it shows an action which will take place in future. You can say in future or immediate future, near future you can say. For example, we will meet the principal later today. Okay, so which will, that action which will take place in a future or near future or immediate future. Now future continuous, it indicates an action which will be continuing in future, means the action which will be continued or which will be going on in the future, which will be going on in the future, which will be continued in the future. For example, I will be performing at the stadium tomorrow, okay, which will be taking place in the, or which will be continuing in the future, means I will be performing at stadium tomorrow. Okay, this is future continuous, means the action which will be continuing or which will be going on in future. Now future perfect, it indicates an action which will be completed at some time in future. It means that that action which will be completed, means which will be finished at some time in future, means it will not go on further at the moment, at the particular moment, or at a specific time in future, it will stop. Okay, the action which will complete before or by the specific time, okay, which will be complete by the specific time. For example, my by by morning, all the water will have leaked out of the tank. It shows that at a certain time in the by the morning, it is showing the certain time or specific time. By the morning, the water will have leaked out. Okay? Now, future perfect continuous. It indicates an action which will start. Which will start means it shows an action which will start, continue, and end in future. Like which will start and continue and end in future means which will start in future, continue in future, and end in future. Okay, now for example, by the end of this week, he will have been teaching for 2 months. This example shows that the action will start and continue and end in the future point, in a future, okay, at certain point. Understood, students? Now see here, students, here is a tense chart. This chart you need to learn and then write in your fair copy. Okay, even this, the chart which I have explained, this one, this also you have to make. Now this one here, this is another tense reference chart. Already in a previous chapter I have explained you affirmative, negative, interrogative. Okay, so simple present, present continuous, this also I have explained. So these are some examples given with its negative form. Okay, in a negative tense, like she paints a picture, then in a negative she doesn't paint a picture. These are certain examples given, and already I have given you one example with each tenses. So these are the examples. You need to learn this and write in your fair copy this chart and this chart. Okay, students? Thank you.